Hi friends, welcome to Glory Investing Show. Today we have amazing updates on our favorite tech company. Yeah, you guessed it right, we will talk about Shopify stock. There is some news that we need to follow up on. Shopify announces record global Black Friday sales of $2.4 billion. New target price set for Shopify. Experiences with Shopify AR. Shopify Fulfillment Network update. If you type Shopify stock on YouTube, you will see a lot of YouTubers talking about this stock. But please guys, do your own research before you decide to jump into this stock. We have a lot of videos about Shopify stock because we made awesome profits on it. You can check our channel and see for yourself. Shopify merchants generate record sales of $5.1 billion over holiday weekend. This represented an increase of 76% year over year. Shopify said it surpassed the $2.9 billion record it set in 2019 by 5 p.m. on Saturday, November 28, 2020. Additionally, during the week from November 23rd to November 30th, sales jumped an impressive 84% compared to the prior year period. More than 1 million merchants in 175 countries helped boost the digital sales watermark, with the festivities beginning in New Zealand and continuing around the world. By 8 a.m. Eastern Time on Friday, Shopify had already achieved $1 billion in sales. The average Black Friday shopping cart totaled $90.70, an increase of 11% compared to the year-ago period. Some of you may say that $5.1 billion is not a lot of money for a company this big, but let me try to change your mind. For example, in the third quarter, Pfizer revenue was $12.13 billion. This company has a market cap of $224 billion. Their big rival, BigCommerce, in the third quarter reported revenue of $39 million. Their other competitor, Wix.com, reported $254 million for the third quarter revenue. If you guys like my video so far, please smash that like button. It would help us a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Shopify launched their IPO for $17 per share on May 21, 2015. Shopify had initially targeted the $12 to $14 range, but robust demand pushed the price up to $17 and allowed Shopify to raise $131 million by selling 7.7 million shares. At the time of its IPO, the company was valued at $1.27 billion. Today, this company has a market cap of $128.48 billion and a stock price of $1,084.40. As one long-term investor, I want to see the stock price grow year over year, same like their revenue. The market is wrong to think that the disappearance of the COVID-19 pandemic will meaningfully slow the e-commerce megatrend. The reality is that the shift toward digital retail has been underway for over 20 years now, and will simply continue at an accelerated pace over the next 20 years, as the value prop of e-commerce continues to improve. The macro retail environment in the second and third quarters was very different. During April, May, and June, most physical stores were closed down and most consumers were holed up in their homes. Throughout July, August, and September, though, physical retail stores opened back up and consumers mobilized again. But Shopify's second and third quarter earning reports are almost identical to one another, with both registering growth rates sharply higher than pre-COVID levels. My prediction and prediction of other 29 analysts from CNN Business is that the Shopify stock will go up to $1,400, almost 33% increase from the price we have today. Back in September 2020, Shopify started with Shopify AR. If you guys don't know what AR stands for, augmented reality is an interactive experience of a real-world environment, where the objects that reside in the real world are enhanced by computer. This was just talk back in September, but I have been seeing sellers using AR apps already, and I can say they look pretty awesome to me. AR has the potential to revolutionize mobile shopping by bringing products to life in front of you through 3D models that you can size up, examine from all angles, and even place in the environment around you. Web-powered augmented reality represents an exciting leap toward making AR experiences available to the everyday shopper through mobile browsers. A small group of Shopify merchants have already modeled their products through Shopify AR in anticipation of AR Quick Look. I found one really interesting video, so take a second and check out how AR is affecting our e-commerce industry. Daniel Beauchamp, head of augmented and virtual reality at Shopify, and Ryan Walker, the co-founder of the modern furniture brand Horn, discuss how AR is transforming the online retail space.
Ryan Walker from Horn. Thank you, Ryan, for coming today.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
And for those in the audience who aren't familiar with Horn, can you tell us a bit about it?
Sure. We are an online retailer of modern home decor. It's a curated selection of modern home decor that we source from all over the world, and we sell in America.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And today we're going to be exploring how you've been using augmented reality and how other merchants have been using it. And just to show you a quick video of what I mean by that, we're going to play this video of the current flow on Ryan's website. So let's say I'm looking for a desk lamp for my desk, and I find this one, and I can actually just click on the photo, and a 3D model of this lamp that's photorealistic, exactly the same size and scale of the real object, appears in front of me. I can move it around, I can get up close and inspect details. And when I'm confident with my purchase, I can just scroll down, Apple Pay. I never left the website. I didn't have to download any specific app. I was doing that whole purchase with the assistance of AR.
As Daniel said, he is able to purchase this lamp without leaving the website and without having to install the new AR app on the phone or some plugin on your Google page. We all know how much those extra steps can be annoying and turn customers away from checking something out.
We view the augmented reality technology as this awesome tool that's going to allow our customers to engage with our products in a really new and innovative way. And through that engagement, we fully anticipate that we're going to see both an increase in customer confidence, which is going to drive, hopefully, an increase in sales and ultimately a decrease in our returns.
Gotcha.
And really, at the end of the day, that's what we're all trying to do, right? Drive up sales, minimize returns.
There are lamps on your store that are like $7,000.
Yeah.
As he pointed out here, there are some lamps on your website that cost $7,000. I am pretty sure that everyone who is purchasing online is not buying expensive luxury. That is why we have retail stores, so we can go inside and have better view of the product. I believe that luxury brands will use this technology more than anybody, and that will increase the price of AR companies as well. In one of my videos, we talk about my next investment, that is Nextech AR. Check it out, maybe you will like it.
In your store, they're like $7,000.
Yeah.
Beautiful lamps, but
They are beautiful, yeah.
I don't know, if I was purchasing a lamp and all I had to go off of is a photo,
Right.
I'd say, well, you know what, maybe I would like to see it in person before buying a $7,000 lamp. Here I could put it in front of me.
Right, and that lamp actually in particular, the $7,000 lamp you're referring to, it's a Serge Mouille light, a beautiful light, long history. The scale of that lamp is very hard to understand for a lot of customers when they're looking at it online. Even though we show it in situation shots, it doesn't really give the perspective of how big this lamp is. It is an enormous lamp. And so being able to put that beside this chair and realizing that it's way too big to put by a chair like this is going to help customers make that purchase.
Augmented reality is, hot new tech. How often are you thinking of these kind of emerging technologies?
I would say daily we think about how we can utilize technology to do a couple things, to either make the online shopping experience as streamlined as possible for our customers, to really enhance that, or more back-end kind of logistics. How can we make our supply chain logistics work a little bit better, or our warehouse logistics work a little better?
One of the things that we do at Shopify is try to democratize tech. We can go out and bring all these new emerging technologies to our merchants so that they don't need to spend a whole budget and time and everything trying to figure out, AR, how do I get invested in it? How do I enable Apple Pay? It's like you check a checkbox and it's just there. And so with augmented reality.
And this is the reason why Shopify is so successful. Merchants want to save their time as much as they can for engaging with the customers, instead of spending days and months on technology and apps that can improve their online look and boost their sales. And this is where Shopify as a platform outperformed the rest on the e-commerce market. We have to go back to our topic, but definitely check out the rest of this video on Shopify's website. Qualifying merchants in the US can now apply for early access to Shopify Fulfillment Network with a dedicated network of fulfillment centers that will ensure timely deliveries and lower shipping costs for a superb customer experience. Shopify Fulfillment Network is built for those shipping 10 to 10,000 orders a day, but soon all Shopify businesses will be able to join. Shopify predicts the closest fulfillment centers and optimal inventory quantities per location to ensure fast, low-cost delivery. After your customer completes checkout, Shopify Fulfillment Network takes care of everything else while putting your brand and customer experience front and center. This is another way how they started attacking Amazon in the US. They go above and beyond to satisfy their merchants. Their shipping box designs inside of those centers are also something that makes them stand out from others. And of course, like I said in my videos before, Shopify is using robots in their centers.
See what this robot looks like? These are self-driving autonomous robots.
This is why we're here. This is why all of us are here. So to our merchants, to our partners, and to anyone who's ever bought anything from a Shopify store, we say thank you. The future of commerce is here, and we are that future together.
I believe in long-term vision of this company, and I will continue investing in them. I would like to hear what you guys think about Shopify target price. Where will they be a year from now? Subscribe to support the channel and press that notification bell so you guys stay updated with new content. Use the link below to register on the Robinhood app and get your free stock.